let's look at this question. How many integer values can we take such that the two equations x square plus 4x plus b is equal to 0 and x square minus bx plus 16 equal to 0 will both have real roots? If you have real roots, it effectively means your discriminant has to be greater than equal to 0. So let's do that. Here the discriminant will be 16 minus 4b has to be greater than equal to 0, or 4b has to be less than equal to 16, or b has to be less than equal to 4. This is the work for the first equation. For the second equation, you have b square minus 64 has to be greater than equal to 0. b square has to be greater than 64, which means b has to be either greater than equal to 8 or b has to be less than equal to minus 8. Okay, so looking at these two, there is no overlap, but looking at these two, there is an infinite overlap. Any value under minus 8 would give me integral roots here. So the answer to this question will be option D, infinitely many.